It is time. It's time for the Lightning Round Cramer. That's where Ralph Roller. Let me say it about my social. Don't know the stock question ahead of time. My staff players play me. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Skeet? That to the lightning round crazy. Let's start with Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Hey, Jimmy Jams. How are you this evening?
I'm having a dynamite time. I got my buddies out here on the floor, and we're enjoying ourselves. What's going on?
Fantastic. I trimmed my Meta and my Eli Lilly. I'm looking to strengthen my position in some banking. I'm thinking of Morgan Stanley.
No, Morgan Stanley's moved too much. Now, we own it for the channel trust. Nothing against Morgan Stanley or Ted Pick or all the good people there. But at 102, we don't want to buy anymore. The only one that I would count in that group that I would still buy is Wells Fargo with Charlie Sharp. That would be the stock to buy. Now we're going to go to Mo in New Jersey. Mo.
Jim, booyah.
Thanks.
In Jersey. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How about you, partner?
Good, good. So I just started investing a little bit on my own, and I'm interested in what you think about Reddit, because it seems
I want to buy Reddit. I think Reddit, I'm going to throw Reddit and Pinterest in. These are two stocks that people don't realize. These are like when you're going up, it's just 3, 6, and 10 in Philly. Suddenly 29 starts playing. 29 gets in, starts getting a little extra money. This is like the new channels. And both Pinterest and Reddit are new channels that are working. Let's go to Frank in New York. Frank.
Yeah, Jim, Frank from Pelham. Thanks for taking my call, and thanks for your extreme integrity, Jim.
I'm doing my best. Thank you. That's right. That's what matters. Thank you.
Over the last year, uranium has come into its own, and a lot of nuclear is becoming a lot more popular. And when the uranium comes out of the ground, if I'm saying this right, it has to be enriched before you can use it. And one of the few companies, if only maybe the only company, which would put it in the catbird seat, is Centrus Energy. What do you think?
Okay, now I understand. I am so pro-nuke that I'm willing to speculate on a nuke, and that is one that I am fine with speculating. I think it's good. I understand it's a long-term situation, but I think it is good. And now we're going to go to Sean in California. Sean.
Hey, Jim, how you doing? You buy your stake in the Eagles yet?
You know what? I've been trying to figure out whether I should keep my 10% stake. That means 10% cheesesteak that I bought at Gino's, okay?
That's a good one. Hey, I'm calling about a company that's growing on the top and bottom line, and they just instituted a dividend. It's reminding me of the Lilu case study on Timberland from years ago. It's Supergroup, SGHC.
You know, I liked Supergroup when it started, and, you know, I kept thinking that, you know, it's a great entertainment and gambling company. I'm not going to back away, but it's done nothing. Candidly, it's done nothing, and I don't understand the dividend. But, yeah, I mean, that was one we had Eric Grubman on, and I think that Eric is a guy I revere, great integrity, smart. I'm going to say I think that's a smart move by you. Let's go to David in Florida. David.
Jimmy C. Booyah.
Yo, what's shaking, partner?
So casino stocks have been falling for the past couple of months, even though they showed stellar earnings. Casinos are packed. Win is the cream of the crop. Good time to buy. What do you think?
Okay, so I think it is, but I got to tell you, anything connected with China, whether it be Nike, whether it be Starbucks, whether it be Wynn, they are considered to be losers by the market, and I can't change that perception until we start seeing things get better. So the answer is yes, I want to buy it. No, I don't think you're going to make a lot of money within the near term. Let's go to Alex in Louisiana, please. Alex.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah.
As we all know, cybersecurity is crucial for the national security and businesses, especially in this AI-driven era. My question concerns SentinelOne. They face tough competition from CrowdStrike, known for strong leadership and brand recognition, and Palo Alto Networks, offering extensive network, endpoint, and cloud security. I believe SentinelOne is trading at a significant discount with a killer price of cash flow ratio.
It is, but it deserves the discount because it's missed the quarterly estimates. That's what makes me worried about it. So I'm not going to say that that's wrong. I'm going to say that that stock is correctly priced. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, don't touch that dial. Cramer has more on this market you won't want to miss. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.